Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Shooting the Shave. I'm Josh, and I'm going to be showing you today what I'm going to be shaving with. Brush I'm going to use today, soak into my Blackhawks mug, because it's hockey season. Yay. Is my Omega boar brush here. Soap I'm going to use today is a Chiseled Face Ghost Barber. Razor today is going to be the Merkur Progress on setting 3. It goes up to 5 settings. It's an adjustable razor from 1 to 5. 5 being the most aggressive. I'm going to go 3. Let me go ahead and wet the face and we'll get started here. Alright, so it is Saturday morning here, and I'm having a fabulous morning so far. I hope you guys are all having a good morning too. And go ahead and get the brush out and load up. So the scent strength on this, from a 1 to 10, is a 6. Need a little more water in there. And the scent notes on this, I have them right over here on my tablet. Let me take a look here. Is saddle leather, smoke, gunpowder, bergamot, basil leaf, patchouli, oak moss, cedar, and yeah, that's what's in it. And it is let me see here. I'll type with a base on it. Sorry about this. It's a tallow-based soap, so nice classic barbershop scent with a little bit of like a leathery type scent to it. It's like a sweet leathery type scent. Very pleasant. Just a little more water. I think I might have had too dry of a brush. It's lathering up beautifully. So how's everybody's weekend going so far? Everybody doing well? You guys having good shaves? Everybody in good health? I certainly hope so. Yeah, just a little more water. Load it like you hate it, like Anthony Esposito says. And I think that that's more than enough. Locked and loaded. Get the excess cream. And we'll go ahead and start this shave. Alright, that's good. Rinse off here and fill up the sink. I forgot to fill up the sink, so sorry about the running water. And I'm going to go ahead and just lather up. This right here is my favorite Chiseled Face scent, Ghost Barber. If you guys like barbershop scents, this is a very nice take on it. Like I said, sweet leathery scent, very pleasant. In my opinion, it's one of the best barbershop scents out there. Next to the Oleo Soapworks Windy City Barbershop, this is one of my favorites. I also really enjoy the, the Razor Rocks American Barber. That's another really good one too. This, a tad more water, and I'm going to call it a day. This is a pretty thirsty soap, so you can go ahead and add as much water as you want into it. And you're still going to have a decent lather with a lot of slickness. And that's perfect. Oh, sorry, the blade I got in there is a Personna Red, and I believe it's on its 4th use. I can't remember how many times I've used it, to be honest with you. First pass. So no pulling, no tugging. Nice sign. This is going to be a sweet shave. Perfect. All right, let me rinse up here real quick. Rub that residual slickness into some of the hair that I missed. Decent residual slickness. Get the soap out of my ear there. All right. Lather up for the second pass here. Ton of lather in that brush here. Absolutely caked. Not going to run out of lather anytime soon. If you guys need a shave, you can come on over here and use some of this lather. Plenty left over for you guys to shave with. And I don't need any water in that. Plenty hydrated enough, so just go ahead and go right into the second pass here. I'm going to go across the grain this way today, see how it feels. So setting 3 is a setting that I like to use on this. I've never used anything higher. You know what, screw it. Let's go to setting 4. Let's see how that feels. A little bit of a difference, not too much. And I do got a little bit of irritation down here from my last shave. I'm not sure if that's a bug bite or from my last shave, actually, to be honest with you. All right, second pass done. Let me rinse up real quick. Rub that residual slickness in. That extra soap, the residual soap. Not a whole lot to pick up. A couple spots here. And a little bit right here on the sideburns. And we'll go ahead and go with that. Take a sip of some coffee here. Top of the morning to you. Just regular black coffee. Nothing fancy. Store brand. And I think for the mustache and goatee, I think I'm on about 2 weeks now. Maybe, I don't know. I can't remember. Doesn't matter. My wife's already complaining about it. Wants me to get rid of it, so I made a deal with her. I'm gonna grow it out till January, which is her birthday. And then we go away for that weekend, so I'm gonna shave it off, everything. And then I'm gonna grow it back. Depending on how my hockey team's doing, I'll grow it back. If they're already not gonna be in the playoff picture, I'll just leave it off. For those of you who are new to the channel, I like to grow out my goatee during the hockey season. It's kind of a little tradition I have. I probably should stop doing it ever since I started doing it, which was maybe 3 or 4 years ago. Haven't had much luck. My team hasn't been doing that good. So maybe I should discontinue this tradition. Maybe it's a tradition of doom. All right. And I'm going to do the third pass here. Whoop, get that out of there. Third pass against the green. This is an excellent razor. If any of you guys don't have the Merkur Progress, excellent adjustable razor. Not a whole lot of feedback. I did a good job getting everything on the first 2 passes. Might have cut myself. Yep, got myself. There you go, a little blood for this shave. Little bit of blood. Okay, let me go ahead and rinse up here real quick. Yeah, just got myself right under the neck here, right on that pimple or whatever the hell that thing is. Alright, and for those of you who are new to wet shaving and want to know a nice way to stop the bleeding, I just take my alum block here, wet the area, and that should stop it. You can use this or a styptic pencil. Okay. Is there anything else in here? I don't even know if I had. Oh, there's my styptic pencil. For those of you who don't know what a styptic pencil is, if you're new to wet shaving, this is a styptic pencil right here. Haven't had to use it too much, thankfully. So, looks like that stopped it. You can also use one of these. This is a, what is this? I always forget the name of this. I always want to call it the West Coast Shaving, but it's the Pacific Shavings Nick Stick, and I've used this quite a bit. You can tell that the label's starting to wear off, so another nice thing to have for if you cut yourself, as we all do. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the sink and we'll come back for post-shave. Alright, so for post-shave I'm gonna use this Bump Patrol here to get that area that I nicked and keep it from getting real red and irritated looking. So I put a little bit in my hand like this and I just rub it down here on the trouble area here. And that'll help fight like ingrown hairs and real nasty red bumps. It doesn't smell real good. It smells like heavily like an alcohol type smell, but you know, it does take care of the razor burn and ingrown hairs if you do get it. So let's rub the excess on my face here a little bit. So that's Bump Patrol again. Really, really good stuff. Excellent stuff to use if you get ingrown hair or get a lot of razor bumps. So I'll put a little coat of that on, and I'm going to go with the matching aftershave splash here, the Ghost Barber. Smells exactly like the soap. I don't think you need to shake this up, but we'll do it anyways. Some of these have like, you know, menthol and essential oils and stuff in them, but I think these come pretty well pre-mixed. And that just smells wonderful. Slight, I think there might be a little bit of menthol in this, a slight mentholated type feel, but nothing too crazy. Slightly cooling, not overpowering. It's not going to make your eyes water, not going to make you cry. So, perfect balance. I personally don't like too much menthol. Oh my gosh, you don't like too much menthol? Everybody that I watch on YouTube loves the menthol. I think I'm like one of the only guys that doesn't like, I think there's like one or two other people, but I'm not crazy about a lot of menthol. I don't like a aftershave that's gonna, you know, make my eyes feel like they're gonna melt out of my head. Let's see, for post-shave balm, what haven't I used in a while? I don't think I've used this in a while. I'm going to go with Everyman Jack here. This is like a minty type smell, very mild minty type smell. It's like a face lotion and post-shave balm. And I'm just going to use a tiny bit of it. Just on the cheeks here. Perfect. All right, let's recap. Went with the Chiseled Face Ghost Town Barber here. One of my favorite Chiseled Face scents. It is my favorite Chiseled Face scent. Razor tonight was the Merkur Progress here. Setting 3, then I bumped it up to 4 to see how they felt. How that felt. Felt pretty good. Didn't feel too different. The cut I blame on me on this little area down here, but as you can see, that stuff's already starting to work really nice. You really can't tell. So yeah, that bump patrol is good stuff. Brush tonight was the Omega Boar brush here. I'm still trying to break it in. I don't use it that often, so figured I'm going to use it for the next couple of shaves to try to break it in a little more. It's an excellent brush. My favorite boar brush. And I'm drawing a blank here. What didn't I? Post shave. I went with the Everyman Jack here for the post shave balm, and did matching aftershave splash. And since I'm growing out the goatee here, I'm going to show you what beard oil I use. I like to use this here. This is the Kingsmen Holy Grail beard oil. This is an excellent beard oil. The scent in this is oud, so it's a very nice scent. I like to shake them up before I use them to mix the essential oils around. And you don't really need a whole lot, at least for the amount I have. I put about just 2 drops. Rub it into my fingertips. Just rub it in. And it keeps my beard from, or my goatee from getting itchy. And softens the hair up. So that again is the Kingsmen Beard Oil, Holy Grail, excellent, excellent stuff. I'll leave a link to their website if you guys are into the whole beard oil thing. And since I'm going to go with a handlebar mustache, I'm going to go ahead and just brush the mustache out this way and train it to grow out that way. Always a good idea. Never too early to use beard oil, and never too early to start training that mustache. And as it gets longer, you can use a blow dryer and blow it out while you're this way with the blow dryer and underneath, and come up like that, which I'll show you when it gets longer. I'll show you how to make handlebars. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all the new subscribers who are subscribing. I've been having a boom, so thank you guys for the support. Really, really appreciate that. Stay tuned. I'm going to be announcing the winner. I haven't done the drawing yet, but keep an eye out for the video. I plan on doing the video either today, or excuse me, not today, tomorrow, and posting it sometime later this week. Well, not later this week, sometime early this week. So keep an eye out for that video for the winner of the giveaway. So thanks guys for watching. Take care. See you again for another shave. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, has good shaves. Stay healthy. See you then.